Hello and welcome to this week's episode. I'm just going to give you a quick update on my Hanchu solar system and how I'm getting on. It's almost a month now since I've had the system, so I'm just going to update you on different things that I have, what I have and what issues I have at the minute and how good it is and what I'm generating in the first month. Welcome along. So just to update you, I've got a 3.68 kilowatt system with two Hanchu 9.4 kilowatt hour batteries, this one and that one. So I've got a total of 18 kilowatts. Yes, if you've seen this garage before, it has been tidied up. I've got a bit of room now to maneuver in there. So that is the system. It is running and it's rainy. It's raining as we speak now, as you can see on the car there. It's raining and it's grey, but the system is still also generating about 200 watts at the minute, going up to 300 in this weather. So as you can see, all the lights are flashing bright blue or whitish. All is working fine, all is well, so no issues there. And the batteries, there they are. I've got 77% on this one and 80% on that one. Generation wise, where we are today, I will just bring up the app on my phone. As I said, it is raining now. Hopefully you can pick up there. I am generating 0.2 kilowatt, which means 200 watts that I'm generating, and the batteries are discharging 1.3 kilowatt and the house is using 1.5 kilowatts. I've just turned on the dishwasher. We just had our Sunday lunch and everything is fine so far. We have generated 4.3, if you can see that, 4.3 so far. It's now 15:44 hours. I've exported 0.2, 200 watts, and the batteries have discharged 4.7. So I didn't really, the home has used 11.9 kilowatt hours. I didn't charge the cars last night because I need to charge tonight. Again, that's one of the issues that I'll talk about. So one of the first issues I'll talk about is the generation on the meter there is not corresponding to the generation that I'm getting on the app. Octopus are going to have the right figures, I do not know. So we will see. I've just been signed on the 12th of April. I've been signed on to the export tariff. Again, that's another issue. I've been signed on the wrong tariff. They've signed me on the 4p. I wanted the 15p. So I've quickly sent them an email this morning to say I should be on the 15p export tariff. So that's where we are. Meter not reading what I think it should be. Octopus putting me on the 4p, and the charging, I also have an issue with the charging. So when I'm exporting or when I'm discharging from the batteries, I cannot plug in the cars for charging because the system misses. I don't know, it doesn't know what is happening, whether to pull from the battery or to pull from the grid. So when I have both systems running, it gets confused and stops sending the charge, especially on the Model Y, because that's the one Octopus control. So when they create a schedule for me, it kind of loses itself and doesn't know what it should be doing. So I'll quickly go into the office, and so that's 3 items that I've just highlighted there. So we'll quickly go into the office and update you on how everything is. So far, as you know, we've got 2 panels up there. There they are, the 600 watts JA solar panels up there, and really grey. And on the northeast side, we also have 2 JAs, so 4 all in all. Generation wise, I should be generating about 1.8, that's what I was quoted, 1.8 kilowatt hours with this system a year. So this is where we are currently in the app. So from the 14th of March to today, which is the 13th of March, almost it's a month, exactly a month, we've generated about 200 kilowatt hours. We've consumed 1.659 according to them, and we've charged 262.9 to the batteries and discharged 247.8 to the grid. From the grid, I think is 1513, to the grid 39.3. So roughly, as you can see, I said it's gray, it's still raining out there. We're still generating 147 watts. The house is now using, let me just refresh that, is using 594. I've got 633 now. I've got 78 battery there, and it's discharging at, so I'm not touching the grid. So this is how I intend to use my system. I am not going to be using peak electricity from April until September, October. I intend to use the batteries during the day and charge them at night, and solar as well, discharge and export as much as I can. So around 8 o'clock, I'll see where I am with the batteries, and I force discharge them and export whatever I have left. So that's how I intend to use the system. It's a small system, but it's a battery heavy system. So that's the update I have for my system for this week. Do tog along and subscribe and like these videos, and watch other videos on the install, on the batteries, and also this one. I've got more to talk about the payback. If you are interested in the payback, do subscribe to the channel. I will see you after the holiday season in a couple of weeks. Thank you and take care.